Imagine a world where characters come to life. Sounds exciting, right? That's the power of cartoon videos. They entertain, educate, and inspire audiences of all ages. So, how does this magical process work? First, let's define animation. Animation is the art of creating movement. It involves producing a sequence of images. When these images are played together, they create fluid motion. Now, how do we make cartoon videos step by step? Start with an idea. This is the core of your cartoon. It could be a story, a lesson, or a joke. Next, craft your characters. Who are they? What do they look like? After characters, draft a storyboard. This is a blueprint for your video. It shows the main scenes, actions, and dialogue. Each box represents a new shot in your cartoon. Then, it's time for animation. Begin with sketches. You can use software like Adobe Animate or Toon Boom. Once the sketches are ready, start the process of bringing them to life. Add sounds and music to enhance your video. Sound effects and music create mood and energy. Finally, export your video and share it with the world. Let's look at an example. Imagine a cat who wants to catch a mouse. Our story shows funny mishaps as the cat tries. Each scene builds suspense and laughter. This is how engaging cartoon videos work. In summary, creating a cartoon video involves idea development, character creation, storyboarding, animation, and sound design. This process combines creativity and technology. Are you ready to create your own cartoon? Grab your sketchbook, start planning, and bring your ideas to life.